Alright people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. Today we're about to unbox Nespresso Lattissima Plus from Delonghi. Okay, so we're about to see what's inside the box. That's what we're here for. So this is a straightforward one. Alright, coffee maker for Nespresso. Got 16 capsules that are included in there. 19 bar. We're gonna find out what that is about. Alright, so without further ado, really and truly, I think we're about to open this thing and see what this thing can do. We're gonna put it to the test. Alright, we're gonna put it to the test. Full review on it. Other than that, make sure to like the video, subscribe if it's your first time out here, share the video if it's any useful to you, and make sure to turn on your notifications so you won't miss out. Let's do it. I don't know. This looks like she's been around. Look at this. Oh. So you got 16 capsules. Different colors for different flavors. All right, so here we have the coffee machine itself, the coffee maker. All right, some people call it coffee maker, coffee machine. It's all up to you. I think, you know, I'm not pretty much sure about so I'm gonna finish unboxing this thing and we'll come back. That's where the capsules will go. We will be showing you all that in no time. All right, so we're gonna put it to the test and see what this thing is up to. I'm gonna show you the tank in a minute, the water tank. This is your water tank. That's what it looks like. I'll lift up the camera a little bit for you guys to see it properly. That's what the water tank looks like. I don't know how many liters will go in there, if it's 1 liter or 2. Okay, other than that, I like the color. You know, I'm pretty much fan of the red and black color. The build quality, certain parts of the product could have been a little bit, you know, in terms of, you know, the plastic is a little bit cheap, on the cheap side. And you know, you can hear this kind of noise, kind of clumsy. You know, the top build, this is pretty solid. I like that, but as you can see, all this plastic part of the machine is too flimsy. That's your milk tank. That's where your milk will go. All right, couple of details on top there, cups and so on. Let me zoom on that, focus on that. All right, let's show you a little bit how to install these things. Come on, that's for the milk tank. Got the fastener in there, and you got a lock on top if you want to clean when you're ready to be to clean. You have to press the button to, you know, release. All right, this is what it looks like. That's how you take out your water tank. Take it up like this. Pew pew. All right, just make sure to wash these things before you use it for the first time. All right, just a little advice, by the way. So yeah, if you want to take the top off the milk tank, this is how you do it. Just press this button there, and there you go, it's released. All right, now you can clean your tank. All right, time to fill the tank. Fill it up. All right, let's fill the milk tank, madam. Could be a little bit of struggle if you don't know how to do it. All right, show me those capsules. Okay. All right, what do you fancy right now?
I fancy Ivanto.
That's for you or for me?
For you.
All right, that's cool. Come on. All right, now it's time to fasten the capsule. That's how you put it in. Then press. Okay, a little bit hard, but so you're gonna get a good aroma out. Okay. So you got your froth measurement there. More froth or less? We're gonna. I want it a little bit, just a medium.
Medium.
All right, that should be all right for me now.
Espresso, macchiato, latte, cappuccino.
All right, first booting. Press it. Okay.
Which coffee?
When it's ready, it lights. Which coffee? I'm gonna go for the smaller one there.
Macchiato.
Macchiato. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, for your machine to function, you have to descale it. Whatever that means. Simply means just pull this down. All right, you pull it down. Take this one off. That is going to allow your machine to function. All right. So you got a trail there. You got a normal trail there. That's where your capsules gonna be dropping. 12 maximum. That's for your espressos. All right. So let's get down to business. All right. So far, just making loads of noise, but no coffee. Let's get down. So that's how you get your froth salted. It's pretty straightforward. So depending on how much froth you want, you can go to the dial here and choose your, All right, that's done. That's out of the way. A little bit of coffee on top. Woo! So we got a bunch of varieties of coffee style, taste, and however you like it, you can go for it. All right. So this is what it looks like. And by the way, this is a soya milk.
Yes.
All right.
I've used soya milk for my coffee.
All right. So that's soya milk. we will be doing soya milk versus normal milk, you know, for a good measure. So what does it taste like?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, great quality.
Like a coffee shop?
Oh, better.
Better than a coffee shop?
Yeah.
Oh well, that's the savings.
Yeah.
So what would we give this machine so far?
I would give it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's very generous. I'll personally give it a 7.5 for now. 7.5. So when you finish, by the way, guys, just go right here.
Yeah.
Gonna move that out of the way, and there you have it. You got your little trails there. You can have like the capsule goes in here, will drop in here automatically.
You can leave up to 12.
Up to 12, but I don't think you want it to be 12. Gonna look grim. So yeah, that's what's up. Another trail here if you're doing your
Espresso or macchiato.
okay. You heard it from Mamusha, super Mamouche, by the way. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, you know, we are going to be coming up with some more tips and tricks about this machine. So stay tuned for that. I hope you have loved it. Thumbs up the video if so. Share it if it's any useful to you. If it's your first time out here, guys, as we usually say, make sure to subscribe. Talk among yourself. We love you all here and we love your support. Other than that, peace out. Keep it lit and keep it safe as usual. Shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it and do it. Bang, bang. Leave all your comments right down below. Salute. Thumbs up.